Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the AI waiting for a style in CapCut to know what would you look like as a bride. So here you just need to import a photo, a photo of yourself to CapCut and then click on your photo. Just go to style and then find the AI photo section. Just swipe until you find waiting photo. So just click on that and wait for the style to be applied to your photos. So there you go, this will be the result. And I think that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on like, leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.